Good morning, everyone. So, for today's video, we eat our lunch. We have, nanti makin tak tu.
Dogo. Eggplant.
Eggplant and munggo yung sa English.
Mung beans.
And hot dog with egg.
And life is rice is life. Life is rice.
What is one? What about in English?
One. Blood. Blood. blood.
Kasi grabe to kaya kaya ano mo tong
Kukuha ba